Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today I'm sharing my morning routine. This is after we've had breakfast and I've gotten my oldest on the bus and we're just kind of getting into the groove for the day. I usually am sitting on the couch with all of my planners and notebooks, and I'm doing a lot of my YouTube work from the couch as far as what I can get done anyways. And then I'm doing some social media work from my phone. And then when I'm all done with that, I have to get up and move on over to the computer and get some of my stuff done over there. But this is just a typical morning kind of into the afternoon for us. I usually have Kinsley home with me, so she's just playing and I'm getting some work done. So hope you guys enjoy. It has been raining here in Tennessee for what feels like a month now. So when the dogs come in, they're always so muddy and we have to wipe their paws really good. So I'm letting Bailey in, and then Kinsley had wanted to read a book. So we were sitting and reading one of her books, and it was an interactive one where she could like press buttons and stuff. So I stopped and spent a little bit of time with her to do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump in the shower, and I am using some of my Dollar Shave Club products. They have everything you need to make you look, feel, and smell your best. Their products are not just for guys, they are for ladies as well. Their razors and all of their products are super high quality, but I love their razors so much. My husband and I both use them, and they're the only razors that we've used for probably at least 5 years. Not only do they ship them right to your house, but the more you buy, the more you save. So you can get a starter kit for $5. There is a starter kit for body, like face wash and body wash. There is a shaving set, and there is also an oral care set. And their toothbrush is really cool. Do you see how it's like swooped down like that? It gets in hard to reach spaces, and I really enjoyed using it. And their toothpaste was also really good. So like I said, you can get one of those starter kits for just $5 right now with the deal that they have going on. Definitely check out the description box for that link. But I love Dollar Shave Club. I highly recommend them to you guys. It will save you so much money.
Quiet voices in the night.
So now I'm going to just put a little bit of makeup on. I do like to put just a little bit on each day. It makes me feel better about myself. So I just usually will put on some foundation, blush, fill in my eyebrows, and then do some mascara and a little something on my lips. It takes me about 10 minutes to do this routine, and it makes me just feel a lot better.
Making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
So now I'm going to go ahead and just blow dry my hair really quick. I really didn't do a lot with it this day because I was just filming and hanging out around the house, but that is my hair straight. And now I'm headed into the living room to clean this mess. I had filmed in here the day before this, so I still had some filming equipment. I had moved the furniture around, and then of course when you work from home, your kids basically destroy your house while you're working, and you have to let it happen because it's the only way you can get anything done. So it kind of is a give and take situation. But I did have Kinsley helping me pick up some things and put some stuff back where they go, and it really didn't take me long. I do this routine pretty much every morning, except for most mornings it's not this bad because I'm able to keep up with it. But like I said, I was working the day prior to this, and so things kind of got out of hand. But every single day I will straighten up the living room, and I will straighten up the kitchen and wipe down the tables and vacuum the floor, just because we do have 2 dogs.
Tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? 'cause right now it's all I wanna do. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I. Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to, as long as I can spend the day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8.
And now it was lunchtime, so I'm just heating up some leftovers from dinner the night before. It was delicious. I love when I have something delicious to make for lunch. I had made this pot roast. If you're interested in it, I did do a little Instagram story about it, and I added it to my highlights, so you can go there to check that out. It's super easy to make, and it makes great leftovers.
I just can't stop thinking of you.
And of course, Kinsley wouldn't have any of it. She did eat some of it for dinner the night before, but she just wanted her meat and cheese and crackers for lunch, and I didn't want to fight her, so that's what she had while I had my delicious meal, and she kept saying it looked gross.
Do it again, wanna do it again sometime. I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay?
And then I will go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen. So that's what I'm doing now. And then of course we had a little dance party because I like to play music while I'm cleaning. It helps to get me in the mood. And Kinsley has been on level 10. Lately, like this whole week, she's been level 10. So you will see her dancing around. And even though the footage is sped up, I swear to you guys, in real life, that's about her energy level.
I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. You used to say that I was great, but I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me. But I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay? Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay.
then I had cleaned the parts for my robot vacuum, so I was just putting those back together, and then I was gonna let Harry go and finish the vacuuming for me that day. His name is Harry because he picks up dog hair. If you have pets, I recommend getting a robot vacuum. I've tried several, and the ones I've all tried are really good. This is just the one I currently have and I'm using. I do get sent a lot from companies and stuff, so this one's my Shark, but I love my Shark, so I can vouch for that. And then there's a couple others I've showed in videos before that are also really good, and I will continue to share any that I find that are good, especially budget-friendly ones. But I love Harry, and if you've been thinking about getting one but you were on the fence, I highly recommend getting one.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to.
So that's pretty much it for my morning routine into the afternoon and after lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you're new here, and that way you won't miss when I post new videos. I do post new videos every single week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
What to do, you got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you, what to do now? I want